This is the Happy New Year's hat cutting dies, and today I'm gonna use this one to make a card. Here now I already get two different papers hat. Here it's black, and this one is black and golden colors hat. So I'll take out the glue. So stick. Now here, this is whole rolled out hat. Washi tape, stick back of the hat. And then I will add the first word happy here. Now I use the golden colors. Just stick it because we already stick the washi tape back of the hat. Okay, now finish the first word happy. I already got these silver colors. Okay, and for this part, Happy New Year are finished, these three words. Okay, so take out the glue. And I want to add some stars, back of the stars. So stick it. So I will stick the here. Maybe stick here. And the golden string. So use this cutting dies to make the shape. Stick more stars. The Happy New Year hat is already finished. I need to make a hole. And now here got a hole. And add a rivet to the hole and press it. Take out the string to throw the hole. A New Year, Happy New Year's hat pendant is finished, and also here is another part. Okay, so now let's see the cutting die together. Happy New Year's hat. And today I use this one to make this little Happy New Year's pendant.